We put ourselves in this box. I'm carnivore this week, or I'm keto this week, or I'm lazy keto this week, or I'm intermittent fasting this week, or I'm paleo. I don't look at that anymore like that. I look at foods now as a tool. Because I'll tell you this, Chris, this is honest truth. I used to be terrified of carbohydrates. Terrified when I first started my journey. I was so scared of them. Oh my gosh, going to family gatherings, because as you guys know, if you don't know, I'm Mexican, so I got a big ass Mexican family. We get together all the time. And I'm like always, when in the beginning of my journey, I was always worried like, oh my God, what did my aunt put in here? Is there any carbs? Is there any hidden sugars? And not even focus on the fact that we're all together as a family. Not focus that we're all together celebrating whatever event that's going on at that time. I'm here thinking about, is there certain carbs in this food? Like, what am I doing? And so I look at foods now on a completely different level.